Magnitude 4.6 earthquake and 1.4 meters of uplift, Campi Flegrei volcanic dynamics become clearer. The increase in earthquakes in the Campi Flegrei volcanic complex beneath the metropolitan area of Naples, Italy, with a population of 900,000, has raised concerns. Recently, the strongest earthquake ever recorded in the region, measuring 4.6, occurred. These earthquakes were accompanied by uplift, which has reached approximately 1.4 meters since 2005. Analysis of selected earthquakes over the past 10 years has now provided new insights into the volcanic structure. The findings were published in the journal Nature Communications Earth and Environment by a team led by Giacomo Rapignani of the University of Pisa and Dr. Simone Sesca of the GFZ Helmholtz Center for Geosciences in Potsdam. These findings offer a new approach to risk assessment. Among other things, the newly discovered long-period seismic signals indicate a rift-like structure at a depth of approximately 3.5 kilometers. This structure connects the underlying magma and gas reservoir with fumaroles, volcanic steam vents, near the surface. The signal's resonance frequency has not changed over the past few years, indicating that the rock above the magma reservoir remains stable. Earthquakes and uplift in the Phlegrean Plain. Campi Flegrei is a volcanic complex within a large caldera structure in the densely populated Gulf of Naples, Italy. Since 2005, the land there has been uplifted by approximately 1.4 meters, accompanied by earthquakes of increasing intensity, reaching a magnitude of M4.6 in late December 2025. Subsequently, seismic activity and ground deformation have been linked to the release of gas from the magma source and to the subsequent interaction between magmatic and hydrothermal fluids. However, the details and geometry of the seismogenic structure remain a matter of debate within the scientific community. New insights into seismogenic S. Now, an international team of researchers from the Istituto Nazionale di Geofisica e Vulcanologia, INGV, the University of Pisa, Italy, and the GFZ Helmholtz Center for Geosciences, Germany, has investigated the volcano-tectonic earthquakes at Campi Flegrei, which have occurred over the past 10 years. This seismological study, using advanced techniques for earthquake source characterization, reconstructed in unprecedented detail the geometry of various seismogenic structures activated by ground inflation. The researchers reconstructed the geometry of various seismogenic structures in unprecedented detail by analyzing seismic waveforms. Among other things, they determined the location, depth, and orientation of several weak zones and the earthquake source mechanisms. The current results confirm previous studies for the land area, but also provide new geometry and fault types for the submarine area east of Bacali. First evidence of long-period signals and their significance. This study also provides the first evidence of very long-period resonance-like signals, VLPs, at Campi Flegrei, reporting more than a dozen such VLPs, with durations of around 60 to 90 seconds and a dominant frequency of around 0.11 Hz since 2018. These VLPs occur beneath CO2 emissions at Solfatara, a dry mare in the Pozzuoli urban area, west of Naples. VLP signals and resonance processes have occasionally been observed at other volcanoes, but have never been previously recognized at Campi Flegrei.